Hello friends, in this video we will learn once again how to make different program by using nested loop, and I have already written these lines for loop. I simply change few changes in inner loop to display. I simply put I, then see the result on the screen. What will be the changes in the result? I simply save this file and press F11 key for execution. Now look at the screen, the result will be displayed as on the screen, because in each iteration of outer loop, inner loop will also execute 3 times. Look at the screen. Dear friends, I once again make some changes to change in the result. J equal 1 and j is less or equal I. In each iteration of outer loop, inner loop will be executed up to increment in the I. Look at the screen, j is lesser or equal I. Then how will be the result printed on the screen? Now I press F11 key to see the result. Look at the screen. The loop is, when the outer loop is executed first time, the inner loop is also executed only once a time, because j is lesser equal I. In a first iteration I have 1 value, in second iteration I have a 2 value, then j is lesser equal I. At that point in a second iteration we have I equal to, j is lesser equal to, then inner loop executed 2 times. In third iteration I have a value 3, and in this expression j is lesser equal I. At that point I have value 3. The inner loop executed 3 times. In first iteration inner loop executed once, in a second iteration inner loop executed twice time, in a third iteration the inner loop will be executed thrice time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share my videos, my channels with your friends, those who want to learn programming language. Thank you. Bye bye.